Let's begin our meditation practice. Please find your comfortable and relaxed posture. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight as much as you can. Gently close your eyes. Gently bring your attention to your body. Now take a few long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your muscles, your head, neck, shoulders, your left arm, right arm, also your chest, your belly, up of the left leg, low of the left leg, up of the right leg, low of the right leg. Relax your whole body. Relax your mind. Relax, relax, relax. Let's practice Metta Bhavana, loving friendliness meditation. Make a little smile in your face. Then you can feel you are happy. Then you can feel you are relaxed and calm. And repeat these 3 words to yourself. And bliss to yourself, wish to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Understand the meaning of each word deeply and clearly. Then repeat it yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. It is so important to make self-love. Then you can feel how much you love to yourself, how much you appreciate to yourself. Just repeat again and again to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. What is the meaning of happiness? The meaning of happiness is understanding about yourself. Who are you? Understanding reality of your mind, nature of your mind, understanding weaknesses. You can go in yourself deep and deeper and ask this question to yourself. Am I a happy person? If you are not happy, ask again, why? What is the reason? Until you find that reason, again and again, ask to yourself these questions. Find your answer. Maybe you are not happy because of some of branch of past sad memories in your mind is still going on. Maybe you are still thinking of that sad memories. In this time, put that all sad, happy, bad memories aside. Just develop your loving kindness thoughts to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now think of your family and bless to them. May my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my parents be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my friends, best friend, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my girlfriend or boyfriend be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my grandparents, grandchildren be well, be happy, be peaceful. Same time, just focus on your difficult people in your life. No need to make any angry thoughts in your mind. Just create loving thoughts to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all living beings, human, non-human, and also environment, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all visible, invisible beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath. Take a few long breaths and relax your body once again. Now focus your natural ordinary breath. Every breath take in mindfully, take out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Experience your breath, each breath. You can experience your life, understand the meaning of breath. Breath is our life. Breath is our noble friend. Without this breath, we cannot do anything. Appreciate your breath. Understand the meaning of your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. No need to control your breathing. Center your attention to the tip of your nose. And understand your breathing system, rhythm. It has 4 types. Deep breath, in and out. Short breath, in and out. When your mind goes out of the breath or somewhere else, you can question to yourself, where is my mind? Then you can come back to breath. Again, focus on your breath and understand, experience your breathing process. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Think how important it is to practice this meditation every day. Please bring your hands together in front of your heart. May peace be with you. May all living beings be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everybody. So, I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for joining with us today in the evening. I thought now we are getting closer New Year. We are making so many New Year resolutions and goals, plans to do. Some maybe you already made up your goals, plans in your life. What is going to do in your future year? But sometimes we are not thinking, did we complete our last goals in last year? Did we complete our plans last year? When we think about it, we feel we didn't. Every year we make a lot of plans and goals, but end of the year, when we turn and look at it, look at our goals, still goals are there. We are not complete them. One day a man came to the Buddha and he asked Buddha, we are lay people. We have so many things to do. We have so many responsibilities. We have so many work to do in this society, to our family. Buddha, please give us some guidelines to become a successful person in this life. I think these few ideas you can apply to your next plan in New Year, and then you can get some good result. Then Buddha said, dear young man, there are 4 things you have to practice, you have to train, then you can be a successful person in this life. What are they? First one is accomplishment of diligence. In Pali we call Utthana Sampada. Now, in this point Buddha taught, you have to do what you are doing, job or whatever, you have to do it very mindfully and you have to organize it nicely. Without organize, you cannot do it, you cannot complete it. First of all, you have to make a plan. You have to make a list. I'm going to do this this week, in this week or next month. Then you can achieve that goal. But when we do those things, there are so many disturbances come to our life, difficulties, challenges come to our life. Then we stop and think, oh, I am exhausted right now, I cannot do anything now. Then we try to walk away from our goals, from our plans. Now, just keep this little message in your mind. When you go to the ocean to swim, if you think I'm going to swim in this ocean, but first of all, these waves have to stop. We know never ever waves going to stop in the ocean. You have to jump into the ocean, then you can swim. Same thing happen in our life. Every day, day-to-day life, so many disturbances, problems, difficulties, challenges come to our life. We have to do our things. We have to go our goal. Whatever come to our life, we have to face that all the things. That is the first one, accomplishment of diligence. You have to practice it. You have to be a skillful person. Then you can make different kind of plan for your goal. Second one is accomplishment of watchfulness. What you earn in your life, what you earn in this year, you have to protect it. Because you waste your time, you waste your energy for all those things, then you have to protect them. Then you can manage your life. Then you can enjoy your life. Then you can be a successful person in this life. That is second one. In this point, Buddha suggested to do how much you earn in this year. You can divide that wealth four ways. First part, you can use that first part for day-to-day life, for food, health, medicine. You can use first part for those things. And second and third part, you can put your business, your job. But fourth part, you have to save when you have difficult time, then you can get it and use. This is the way to divide your wealth. How much you earn, you have to divide 4 ways. That is we call accomplishment of watchfulness. Third one is noble friendship. I think we need friends. We all have a lot of friends, good friends, bad friends, stinky friends, and Facebook friends. There are a lot of friends we all have, but we need to find a noble friend. So hard. It is so hard. And I think you have enough wisdom to find noble friend. Because noble friendship is awesome friendship in this life, in this world. All the time your noble friend come to you and say, don't do this, it is so bad. If you do this, you will be suffer. You will be suffering. You will be crying. If you do this, it is good. You can be a happy person. If you don't have good noble friendship, what happen? You cannot protect your wealth. You cannot go to your goal because you don't have any encouragement. It means you need to find a noble friendship. It is so important. We call in Pali Kalyana Mittata, in English noble friendship. Last one is balance livelihood. You have to balance your day-to-day life, your life. You have to understand everyday happiness not coming to you. All the days or every days sadness not coming to you. You can happy one day, you can sad one day. You have to brought those all the things with good mind, peaceful mind. Whatever come to you, your life, you have to, accept those all the things with mindfully, lovingly. But when you see those things, when you see happiness come to your life, be happy. When sadness come to your life, difficulties come to your life, try to see where these difficulties, sadness come to you. Find that root of sadness. Then you can be a happy person again. This is the 4 ways to be a successful person in this life. First one is accomplishment of diligence. Second one is accomplishment of watchfulness. Third one is noble friendship. Fourth one is balanced livelihood. I think you learned something from this talk, and it is good to make new goals next year, and who knows next year going to be. Sometime it is wonderful year, sometime it is not good like this year. Whatever it is, you have to set up your mind, middle way. Whatever come to in next year, be a good person. Appreciate to your life. Appreciate to your thoughts, body, and also your breath. Thank you so much. Now monks are going to chant same discourse. It is so meaningful discourse we are going to chant today. May all power of blessing with you. May not dangers come to you. May not difficulties come to you. May not fears or any kind of bad things come to you. May you be well, happy and peaceful. Just close your eyes and listen this chanting and concentrate your mind. Thank you so much. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagavara Samma sambuddho vinjācarana sampanno sugato lokavedo anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati santa deva manussanang buddho bhagavate swakato bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akaliko ehi passiko panayako pancatang veditambo vinyo iti supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho ujupatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho nyaya patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho samici patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho yadidang cantari purisa yugani atta purisa punggala esa bhagavato savaka sangho ahuneyo pahuneyo dankineyo anjali karanayo anuntarang punyakentan lokan sati etena sacca vajjena dukkha upa tute tena sacca vajjena bhaya upasamintute etena sacca vajjena roga upasamintute Tannang karo mahaviro medang karo mahayaso saranang karo lokaitu dipang karo jutinjaro kondanyo janapamongko manggalo purisasabo sumano sumano diro revato rati vandano sobito guna sampanno anomadassi janundamo padumo loka panjoto narado varasarati padumuntaro sattva sumedo anga punggalo sujato sambalo kango piyadassi antadassi karuniko dhammadass විපස්සී තමෝනුදෝ සින්දන්තෝ අසමෝ ලෝකේ තිස්සෝ වරද සංවරෝ පුස්සෝ වරද සම්බුද්ධෝ විපස්සීච අනුපමෝ සිකී සම්බයිතෝ සන්තාවෙස්ස භූසුකදායකෝ කකුසන්දෝ සත්වවාහෝ කෝනාගමනෝ රනංජවෝ කංසපෝ සිරි සම්පන්නෝ ගෝතමෝ සක්්‍ය තේ සංසච්චේන සීලේන කන්තිමෙන්ත බලේන ච තේති ත්වං අනුරංකන්තු ආරෝගේන සුකේන ච තේ සංසච්චේන සීලේන කන්තිමෙන්ත බලේන ච තේති ත්වං අනුරක්කන්තු ආරෝගේන සුකේන ච තේ සංසච්චේන සීලේන කන්තිමෙන්ත බලේන ච තේති ත්වං අනුරංකන්තු ආරෝගේන සුකේන චාති සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායු සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත්තයක්ඛ භූතානං පාපග්ගා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ සන්නුපන්දවේ ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you very much. Slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful night.